Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Mr. Omo Ali Alas. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's Mr. Omo Ali Alas. How you doing, guys? You guys miss me. So, how you doing, my friends? My lovely fans. So, it's been a couple of days ago since we seen each other, but now we are back in action. So, if you are new to this channel, guys, some people they don't know my channel. So I want to know my channels. I am a sport correspondent, so people, the most guys knows what I'm talking about. I'm talking about soccer industry. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel and make sure you watch and hit the button and share the video so you get an update for the news for sports soccer, Champions League, Europa League, Premier League, Spanish League, La Liga, French League, on so on and on. So during the weeks has been some games has been played. So let's start with La Liga. La Liga was yesterday. They played their Valencia. Valencia beat their Valladolid. It was 2-1. Valencia. Yeah, and Celtico Vigo Atletico Madrid was also draw 1-1. 1-1, yeah. Celta Vigo is doing a good job actually this year. It's not bad. And yesterday was Cadiz against Villarreal. And Villarreal, they beat the 3-1 with Cadiz. It was 3-1. And Real Betis against Osasuna was 3-0. All the small clubs, this year they're doing a good job, In my eyes, next year is going to be, they come so far. And Barcelona, they win with 1-0 yesterday. Yeah. And today was Mallorca against Lavanda, 2-0. Mallorca, they beat Lavanda. And Albert against was 0-0 draw. And Atletico Club and Sevilla. Sevilla, they beat 2-1. Atletico Club. So it's actually two clubs, don't mix up, guys. It's Atletico City and Atletico Madrid, may apologize, and Atletico Club. It's the same city but different clubs, different village or different acres. So they lost them for Sevilla. They beat them. And tomorrow is going to be in action. Real Sociedad and Granada, they're facing each other around 11:30, and Real Madrid on Friday. Make sure you guys watch the game. And Real Madrid against Alves, so 2 o'clock p.m. they're watching Eastern time. And Osasuna against Celtico and Valladolid. The Spanish names, they have a difficult to pronounce, Valladolid, Valladolid against Barcelona. Oh yeah, I'm not a Spanish guy, so if I was born in Spain, I can speak pronounce, but it's very hard, if you are new in this Spanish language, right? So they playing on Saturday. Make sure you guys watch. Barcelona, they're going to beat Valladolid. I hope they're going to score maybe 5 or 6 euros. It's going to be a big number, so it's no question about that. Messi is going to score again. Suarez, and the best players in the world, right? Nobody can beat Barcelona, right? So and let's be going now to the Serie A, Italian La Grande Brescione Castione. That means Italian football clubs. That's what they club. So Italy is always the best club, right? And, since Cristiano Ronaldo arrived, Italy become football very, very interested, right? Cristiano make interest football in Italy. Before it was Cristiano, there was like it's nothing, right? Because now it's Cristiano there, and everybody watch, right? So let's restart. Let's restart today. Today the game was Serie A full time. Was Verona against Inter Milan. Oh, they draw 2-2 there. And the goal scorer was Kendareva, the 49 minutes, and 55 on goal, and La Vevica Velois. He scored it. And yesterday was spilled against Udinese. Was 3-0. Udinese they beat Spill with 3-0. Oh yeah. 3-0, yeah. Yeah, 3-0, yeah. You know, these clubs, Italy, they don't play around. And Juve, you know, it's always they win always. You know that. And tomorrow they're gonna play on Friday actually. Friday they're gonna Saturday, sorry. Lazio against Sicilia. On Saturday, that's the game we are waiting for. Lazio against Sicilia and Brescia against Roma. Juventus against Atlanta, and Genoa on Sunday, Spil and Parma against Bologna, and Fiorentina against Verona, and Cagliari against Lecce, and Udinese against Sampdoria, and Napoli against Milano. So they're going to play on Saturday and Sunday. So this is going to be the title, but this year actually Juventus and Lazio is doing a good job. You know, there's only difference now, only maybe 5 points. You know, Juventus is leading the points in Italy, following Lazio and Inter and Atlanta. But it looks like they're going to win. Juventus is going to win a title. So with Ronaldo or without Ronaldo. So I told you Ronaldo is not going to make much difference actually. He become goal scorer now. He scored almost now 23 goals. You know, as Cristiano is doing a good job. You know, but the main thing is why Cristiano they bought this guy is to win the Champions League, and that's going to be very tough. Yeah, that's going to be tough because Juventus was already winning the title in Italy without Cristiano Ronaldo. You know, they are the king in Italy, so Juventus nobody can stop it. You know, only the club you can challenge is maybe this moment is going to be Inter Milan. Since Lukaku left Man United, you want to enjoy to the Inter Milan. You know, Inter become more interested, right? And most players they want to play for Inter now. The last news that I heard is what I heard is on the Legenda della Sporta. Is the news update in Italy that Lionel Messi he wants to come to Inter Milan. Yeah, most guys says what? Messi to Inter Milan? I don't think so. Yes, that's the news because Lionel Messi he's sick of tired staying in Barcelona all the time, so he wants to go for the challenge. Same like Cristiano. If you go for the challenge, you know, people they love you more, right? But if you stay all your life one club, you know, you are a good player. We know you are a good player, but you have to show the world something else. You know, challenge the world. You know, see how good you are. You know, like the other guys before. You know, the other ex-players: Ronaldo, Romario, Ronaldo, Rivaldo, Ronaldinho. Who else? Zidane, Vigo, all these guys, they want a different club. And yeah, George Weah, you know, all these players, they want a different club and they win the title. So Messi stay always Messi, Barcelona. So now, next year in the summer transfer, he said he wants to come to Inter Milan because Juve they don't need it because they have Cristiano. And I don't know if he wants to come to in the Premier League. I don't think so. There's no way to come. Man City they cannot offer him. It's too expensive. Man United is too expensive for him. They cannot buy him. This guy is a lot of money. So that's what I heard. So anyway, but we will see in the future what brings, right? So all these games will be on Saturday. Make sure you guys watching on Eastern time. Yeah, Eastern time. That's in this hour. It's around. That will be around 2 p.m. 2 p.m. Yeah. 2 p.m. Yeah. And let's go to Premier League. Oh, the Premier League. Oh, the Premier League has become more interesting. You know. It become interesting, very, very interesting, you know. Yep. Yeah. So yesterday the game has been played was West Ham. West Ham they beat Burnley. It was 1-0. No, sorry, Burnley they beat him West Ham 1-0 was yesterday. Oh yeah. And Man City And Man City, they smashed Newcastle 5-0. Come on, Newcastle is a small club, guys. You cannot compare with Man City. Man City is a big club. So they smashed 5-0 Newcastle yesterday, and Sterling was scorer, and Silva, and Gabriel Jesus, and and De Bruyne. They become on the board scored shit. And Sheffield Wednesday, they beat him yesterday, Wolves 1-0. Brighton against the champions of England of the Premier League, or Europe, we called Liverpool. They win 3-1, and they beat Brighton with 3-1. The goal scorer was Mo Salah. Who else? And Sané Mane. Who else? Like usual. And Radion Van Diemen. So they win. They scored 3-1, and they beat Brighton. And today was Everton against Southampton. They draw their 1-1. And Brighton, and the other game was Portsmouth against Tottenham. Oh man. Tottenham become more problems, since, Jose Mourinho took over, Tottenham is struggling a lot. And the problem is, Tottenham, they need this summer 3 transfer. They have to bring a midfielder, a good striker, and a good left winger. Those 3 they need to bring if they want to challenge for the Premier League for the next year. This year is gone. They don't have any Champions League spot. They don't have any UEFA Cup spot. They're all gone, So it's very, 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 very tough for the Tottenham. It's not because of Mourinho is there. He's a coach. He can do nothing. They have to buy new players. They have to invest it. If you don't invest, you don't get nothing. That's what you face every day, and you're losing with small clubs like Portsmouth, Brighton, Newcastle, Aston Villa, so on and on. So they draw 1-1. I feel very sorry about my best friend Mourinho. Yeah, Mourinho. I like him. To be honest, he's a good guy, man. He's my best friend. I don't want to too much criticize him, but he's a very, very smart guy. He knows what he's doing. Yeah. And today, my club, Man United, they beat Aston Villa 3-0. And the goal scorer was Fernando. And who else? Mason Greenwood and Paul Pogba. Finally, he got the goal for this year. Paul Pogba, he become a good player, this last 5 games. Yeah, since he recovered from the injury last year, and since Bruno Fernandes has been arrived, Paul Pogba become a good player, and he has more space, create, make some, tactics, and give it a good chance to score, and he has a lot of time. But now this squad is a good squad. I like it. We win almost the last 5 games. We win straight. Bruno Fernandes, Paul Pogba, Mason Greenwood, Rashford, Antonio Martial, Aaron Bissaka, Lindelof. Good squad. Yeah. So with this team, we can challenge for the Premier League next year. I hope we can win next year, and maybe this year the chance we have open is to get the fourth spot, so we can get the Champions League next year and win the UEFA Cup. And it looks like we're going to win this year, UEFA Cup. Yeah, with this squad you can win, trust me. And the goal scorer, this Mason Greenwood, this young talent, this icon, he become a very good scorer. He scored almost now 15 goals. That's compared with the time he's now 18 years old. When Wayne Rooney was 18 years old, and Michael Owen and George Best, he was same age. He scored the same level now. He scores 15, and now he's 16. The goal leader was Michael Owen. Now it's only different 3 goals. Mason Greenwood has 17 goals now, and and Wayne Rooney, he has 16. So difference. This guy is catching. He's become a good icon. So, that's what happens if you create your own talent with Man United Academy. Messi Brewer is going to be a good player. Trust me. He has a both hand. He can score with left. He can score with the right, and he can have it. He can create chances. So this young talent, I like it, man. I hope maybe he has a good, bright future. Mason Greenwood. So now we have three striker: Mason Greenwood, Antonio Martial, and Rashford. Yeah. So they beat, and they beat, yeah. And Chelsea they win also, yeah. So now only difference only now 59. Chelsea has 60 point, and Leicester has also 59 points. So the difference only 2 points. That's only one more game, and we are the same level. One of these days they're gonna lose. Those team, Leicester or Chelsea, they're gonna lose, and we are guaranteed for the fourth spot. It's only 4 games left. So we went. We went today, and I'm very excited. Man United, yeah, come on. And the other game was and Saturday is going to be some actions going on. Watford against Newcastle, and Norwich against West Ham, and Liverpool against Burnley, and Sheffield Wednesday against Chelsea. Oh, Chelsea is going to lose. I hope Chelsea they're going to lose against Chelsea. Sorry, Chelsea guys, but it's just how it is. Even me, we're going to lose too. We lost so many games. It's not because I don't like Chelsea or I like it. It's just the way it is, because Chelsea squad need more experienced, talent, guys, and coach. That's what it is. They win maybe last 3 games, but still they need a big rebuilding and big investment. Chelsea, if they want to challenge for the Premier League next year. So they're gonna face on Saturday, Sheffield Wednesday, and Man City. They're gonna beat Man City. I told you they're gonna play with Brighton, and Sunday is gonna be Wolves against Everton, and Aston Villa against Crystal Palace, and Tottenham against Arsenal, and Portsmouth against Leicester. And Monday is gonna be a Man United against Southampton. So that's this. The weekend is ahead of this game. They're going to be play on the Saturday and Sunday Easter time, like I say, guys. So this is Mr. Omar Ali Alice, and with good news is the good news maybe we're going to buy Aaron Sancho, the young left hand for Dortmund. Maybe he's come to Man United this next year. We don't know when, but it looks like he's coming next year. There are some rumors going on there, and a lot of talk. The budget is too high and budget is too low, and so on and on. If the guys can enjoy to the Man United, Sancho is the Dortmund player. That will be very good, and then we can win the Champions League next year. So today is the news. It's short. It's Mr. Omar Alias. I hope you guys like my videos and share the video. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe the button and share the video and so on. It's Mr. Omar Ali Alias. And I will say, guys, thank you for watching, and see you next time, and have a great weekend ahead. I will bring you every weekend. Take care.